Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone from Snapchat. All right, start by opening up your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on your profile right here at the top left. All right, tap on it. And as you can see, you're being landed to our profile. Now, what we're going to do next is just tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now, in here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you see the option blocked, all right, which is right here at the accounts action section. All right, below that there will be an option called blocked users. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, I've blocked two person because I already made a video on how to block someone on Snapchat. Now to unblock them, just go ahead and tap on the X button right here. For example, this one, tap on X and there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Just hit on yes if you are sure. And again, this one right here, which is my friend, yes. And that's basically how you do it. And that's how you unblock someone from Snapchat. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.